When cutting out these heels, or cutting off the heels, just in case you want to make, I don't know, eyebrows or fish lips or chook legs or whatever, how do we get this nice and smooth curve off here and here with limit the amount of grinding or with a hand sander? So I haven't done anything there, so you can imagine how easy that is going to be to smooth off, because your grout should come up to at least equal to here. So that makes it for an interesting curve. I like to use ceramic scissors with stuff that's as nice to cut as this plate here, and they just work. So see where I've got my little thing on the edge there? That's where the two blades meet, and I'll point towards that direction, and we know that plates do whatever they want, and we cut that off. Then we've got all of this left. We can do the same here, and we can use these or any wheel nippers, but I'm liking the ceramic scissors for shaping. And you can see how well it does it. I've used, for this particular one, because it's not super hard stuff, the heavy duty ones for ceramics, like these Seabell munchers, which I just love. I'll make sure they've got the curved blades in. They work as well, and it just depends on the plate. But for these ones, and I tested them all out, I'm liking this one for the outside. That includes my favourite lipinets. Now on the inside here, and I'm still learning the crabs, so I have all the apparatus facing away from me, and instead of going like this with a wheel nipper, and sometimes everything breaks off in the wrong direction, this works like grozing pliers if you've done stained glass. At this end to munch towards me. So it's little tiny ones. If you take too much out, it's likely to break across. So we're just going to like munch it out a bit. So munch off the wider bits, bring it in smaller and smaller. And come back up the top and start again. Little tiny ones. As small as you can do it, the better. So it does take practice, but once you've done a plate, and you put these blades on the edge here and munch through, or nibble, I should say, nibble like a mouse. Little mouse nibbles. You can see this is getting a bit thick, so I want to take some of that thickness off. And there we have maybe some fish lips. Hello. Maybe some eyebrows. Chook legs. Or really whatever you want. And I think people do cut these up smaller and then make rose shapes. But we'll ask the group the question over the next couple of months about what do people do with this. These might